It was nearly midnight when I boarded the last subway car, empty except for a woman in a tattered red coat, face hidden by her hair. The train lurched forward, but the stations we passed grew unfamiliar. Names smeared on the signs. The lights flickered, revealing fleeting shadows pressed against the windows. The woman finally looked up. Her eyes were hollow, endless voids. As I scrambled for the door, the car shuddered, the world outside dissolving into darkness. My phone displayed no service. The woman smiled, whispering, "You can't leave. No one ever does." The train sped on, destination unknown.